Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 60 by 8 power x equal 8 power x and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 60 equal, we can write this as 8 power x times 8 power x. So 60 equal, this becomes 2 times 8 power x. So if I'll divide both sides by 2, so this becomes 8 power x equal 30. Now if I'll take log on both sides, so I'm going to take an identity that is log a power b. We can write it as b log a. So it's x log 8 equal log 30. So if I'll divide both sides by log 8 to isolate x, so x equal log 30 as 3 times 10 by log 8. So x is equals to, this becomes log 3 plus log 10 by log 8. X is equals to log 3 plus log 10 as 5 times 2 by log 8. I can write it as 2 cube. So x is equals to log 3. This becomes log 5 plus log 2 by 3 log 2. So x is equals to log 3 by 3 log 2 plus log 5 by 3 log 2 plus log 2 by log 3 log 2. So x is equals to, we can write it as 1 by 3 log 3 with base 2 plus this becomes 1 by 3 log 5 with base 2 plus this will cancel out. So 1 by 3. Now I can take this 1 by 3 as common. So log 3 with base 2 plus log 5 with base 2 plus 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.